Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Here's another starter question. This is a GCSE exam style question. I've seen questions like this multiple times in GCSE papers. Pause the video and give this a try. When you're ready for the answer, press play. Out of 60 people surveyed, so we know the total number of people here is 60. So I'm going to put the universal set is equal to 60. 34 have a cat. Now, that 34 is the sum of these two regions here. So I can't really put a number because I don't know how that 34 splits up. 28 have a dog. Okay. Now that is the sum of this and this bit here. Again, I don't know the split. 10 have neither a cat nor a dog. Okay, so that I know. Outside we have 10. Use this information to complete the Venn diagram. Right. Now, if this is 60 here, the total, and 10 are outside, I know the sum of these three regions should be 50. 50. However, when I add the number of owners of cats and dogs here, 34 add 28 gives me 62. Right. Now you can see the difference if you do 62 take away 50. That means there's 12 extra. So that must be the overlap. So let's put 12 here. Now, 34 have a cat. So these two regions should add up to 34, but this one here is 12. 34 take away 12 is 22. Now, 28 have a dog. 28 take away 12 is 16. So that one is here. Now let's see if all numbers work. So the total is 60 that we have here. 10 have neither a cat nor a dog. So that's outside here. The middle three numbers should now add up to 50. Let's see. 22 add 12 is 34. 34 add 16 gives me 50. So this is the final answer.